The following is a demonstration of the construction of a line parallel to a given line through a given point. Let's use SOL Tools practice again. This will take a moment to load. We will be using the third screen of the practice screens. We will be using line M and given point A to create a line parallel to a given line through a given point. To begin, we need to create an angle. Let's move to our straight edge tool, and I will drag through point A, and I will extend this because we're going to copy an angle as we are creating the parallel line. Now I have created what I will call angle ACB. Let's move to our compass tool. I want to use point C, and I'm ignoring point B. Lock and create two intersection points. I can mark those points as D and E. There's point D. This is point E. And my goal now is to copy angle DCE up to point A. So point C and point A will correspond. I need to use this same exact length that I used to create D and E and move that length up to point A to create a new vertex and to create a new arc, which creates one new intersection point right here, which corresponds to D. So I will call that D prime, a little tick mark. I'll use my compass tool once again, move to point D. I need to transfer the distance from point D, unlock, from point D to E. I lock that distance and move from D to D prime, make a little arc. I could have made an arc down here just to check to see that it is going through or intersecting with point E. I move up here, I do the same exact thing. That creates another point of intersection which corresponds to point E, so I will call that E prime. Now I have enough information to use the straight edge again, starting at vertex A through point E. I can call this line L. This line and the given line M are now parallel. I can put in some parallel arrows. And the reason that these two lines are parallel is because I copied angle DCE up to angle D prime A E prime. And we will put congruent markings to show that those two angles are congruent. To see something similar, let's exit out of test navigation. Go to Construction Animations online. Scroll down the constructions page. We would like a parallel line through a point. Full screen. Run. We have a given line and a point. Create an angle. Now copy that angle from J to R. Transfer that distance up top. Create our parallel line. Let's look at that again. We are given line PQ and point R. Create an angle. That gives us a vertex J. We make an arc. We move up to vertex R, make an arc. Transfer that distance up top. Now I can create my parallel line.